Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to boost your TikTok video for more views. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok profile. Then proceed to your profile. Then go ahead and select any post you want to boost. For instance, I'm going to boost this particular post right here. Then having selected the post, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your content could blow up. Act now. Click on that. Now you are here. So you have the video selected right here. So more video views. So make sure this is selected because you are getting more views with this package. Now, between 1,700 to 4,370, you are paying this for video view. Scroll down right here and see different packages right here. So at the time of making this video, this is the highest package for 1 day. And this is recommended, which is about 2,600 naira for about 13,000 TikTok view video. Next thing you want to do here is to choose your package right here. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and choose this particular package, 870 naira. Once you choose your package, then you'll be told the amount you are paying. So I'm paying 935 naira 25 kobo, including VAT. Okay, so you can scroll down right here and read term of everything. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on pay right here. Then here, if you have not added your bank card for the payment before, you will need to make sure you click on add payment method. Make sure you link your bank card. If you don't know how to link your bank card, whether Visa or MasterCard, kindly check the video out on my channel. I've made a video on how to link your bank card. Once you link your bank card, it will be selected right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on confirm right here. Once you click on confirm, authorize your payment, and the payment will be done successfully. Once the payment is done successful, then your ad will start running and you start getting more views, more followers in your TikTok account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your TikTok app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.